Hello guys, my name is Danny. Welcome to Infiga YouTube channel. And in today's video, we're gonna highlight and unbox the new model for Nokia C20, the cheapest price phone for Nokia for only $90. Alright guys, $90 for 2GB RAM and 32GB. We're gonna set this one around, check what is inside the phone, and also unbox this one. Alright, you ready? Let's get it on.
유난히도 캄캄한 밤에 나 홀로 너를 생각하네. 이런 기분 설명할 수 없어. 원래 이맘쯤 너와의 여행을 생각했었는데 네가 좋아하던 와인과 선물을 준비했겠지. 기뻐할 너를 상상하며 근데 왜 이런 생각을 하면서 너를 추억만 하게 된 건지 어쩌다 너와 나 왜 이렇게 끝난 건지 너를 기억하면 난 가슴이 아파와 어쩌다 너와 나 이렇게 잊혀진다면 다시 사랑할 수 없을 것 같아. 그날의 나는 내게 너무 낯설었겠지. 내 맘과 다르게 너에게 상처를 줬으니 사랑한다는 말로도 부족했던 너에게 내가 너무 잘못한 것 같아. 너와 나의 다른 생각이.
So alright guys, I'm holding now the Nokia C20, the cheapest price phone for Nokia as of year 2021, because this is Android 11 Go edition, the red Google system, and I'm doing a setup right now. So there's gonna be a bigger screen. You can see that it's actually almost 6.5 inches. It's a newly launched from the cheapest phone for only $90 guys. So it has 2GB RAM, 32GB memory. So what we're doing right now, we're setting up the phone. So after we set up this one, we're gonna check the camera. Let's see if it's good. Alright, we're doing it right now guys. So as you can see, Nokia is going to be consistent now on creating their mobile phones, because the software is direct from Google right now. They're having partnership with the Google. That's why they're using the Android 1 version, which is directly from Google guys. And this one in C20 is a Go edition. It's a lightweight software direct Google. So you're seeing right now doing a setup, checking the background, the brightness, and changing the theme as well. And to make it in the dark mode, you can do that. And we check the storage right now. It's 32GB guys. So if you're actually looking for the cheapest price phone with the $90 only for budget price and the latest Android, you can try this Nokia C20 guys. So it's Android 11. We're checking to the system right now. Yeah, it's gonna be a simple bigger size phone with durability. I feel it because I'm holding it. It's a little bit heavy guys, and we're checking the camera, which is actually 8 megapixel at the back side. That's it. That's the camera megapixel at the back. It's actually, you can navigate, or you can adjust the camera brightness according to what you need. I mean, if it's in low light condition, you can put it up to make good camera function for this phone. So if you want to use a simple phone with a good camera, at least you can try this Nokia C20 guys, for about $90, or approximately around, let me calculate that in the peso. So in $90, that's the camera in the front side. You can see actually, guys. It's almost 4,000 only in the Philippine price, guys. See that the camera. We have panorama and some other camera features that you can actually, especially in the front, there's already time lapse, guys. So it's already built-in camera front side time lapse where you can actually record the video and play it as fast, more faster, guys. So this is gonna be the finished video clip for time lapse. See, it's a fast scene, guys. So it's gonna be good for a good price. The cheapest price phone for Nokia. The Nokia model Nokia C20, guys. The video we are doing right now, the photo and the panorama. You know this panorama, guys. Like you can make wide features by using the panorama effect in camera. So we're actually looking with the, so you got HDR for video resolution in camera. You can see that full HD. You can record full HD on this mobile. HDR is always there, and you can make a burst shot, guys. The one that I will do right now, you can take many pictures by pressing the photo area, guys. Long press on that, you can actually take up to 30 photo, guys, and showing you, you can select which one is good. That's the one we're doing. So for me, it's a good idea to have a good price phone in a budget price Android One version to give you a pure, secure, up-to-date system, guys, where you can only find here in Nokia C20, guys. So that's it, guys, for today. You can actually see that the Nokia C20, the new one. Have a good day.